When considering window replacement for your Knoxville home, one of the most popular choices among homeowners is impact-resistant windows. These windows offer a variety of benefits, from enhanced security to better protection from the elements, making them an attractive option for both new constructions and home renovations. Whether you're looking to safeguard your home against severe weather or increase energy efficiency, impact-resistant windows are a smart investment. Here's why they are becoming increasingly popular in Knoxville replacement projects. Protection against severe weather. Knoxville, while not as prone to hurricanes as coastal areas, still experiences heavy storms, high winds, and occasional tornadoes. For homeowners, protecting their homes from potential storm damage is a priority. Impact-resistant windows are specifically designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, making them a crucial feature for safeguarding your property during severe weather events. These windows are built with laminated glass, which is incredibly strong and resistant to breaking. In the event of a storm, impact-resistant windows prevent the glass from shattering, helping to maintain the integrity of your home and reduce the risk of internal damage. The durable construction of these windows provides peace of mind during storm season, ensuring your family and belongings are safe. Increased security and protection from break-in. Home security is another key reason why impact-resistant windows are a popular choice for window replacement projects. Standard windows, even with basic locks, can be easy targets for burglars who are looking for quick and easy entry into your home. Impact-resistant windows offer an added layer of security by being much more difficult to break or tamper with. The laminated glass in impact-resistant windows is not only designed to withstand harsh weather but also provides anti-burglary protection. When an intruder attempts to break into a home, the glass is much more challenging to shatter, significantly slowing down or even preventing an entry attempt. This extra security makes impact-resistant windows an excellent option for homeowners who want to ensure their property remains safe and secure. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a growing concern for many homeowners, especially in regions like Knoxville, where temperature extremes between summer and winter can lead to high heating and cooling costs. While impact-resistant windows are primarily known for their ability to withstand impact, they also offer excellent energy-saving benefits. Many impact-resistant windows are built with insulated glass and energy-efficient coatings that reduce heat transfer between the indoors and outdoors. During the hot summer months, these windows can keep the cool air inside, reducing the workload of your air conditioning system. In the winter, they help retain heat inside your home, leading to a more consistent indoor temperature and lower heating costs. As a result, impact-resistant windows not only protect your home from the elements but also contribute to long-term savings on energy bills. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Knoxville, like many growing cities, has areas where traffic, construction, and general urban noise can be a nuisance. The soundproofing capabilities of impact-resistant windows can make a significant difference in creating a quieter, more peaceful home environment. The laminated glass used in impact-resistant windows helps reduce the transmission of sound from the outside, blocking out unwanted noise from busy streets or neighbors. This added benefit is especially valuable for homes located in high traffic areas or near sources of noise pollution. Whether you're working from home, trying to relax, or sleep, impact-resistant windows create a more comfortable and quieter living environment. Durability and long-term investment. One of the key reasons homeowners in Knoxville are opting for impact-resistant windows during replacement projects is their durability. Unlike traditional windows that may require frequent repairs or replacements due to wear and tear, impact-resistant windows are built to last. They are designed to resist damage from extreme weather, daily wear, and accidental impacts. These windows are made with reinforced frames and laminated glass, ensuring that they stand up to the challenges posed by Knoxville's climate. The long lifespan of impact-resistant windows makes them a cost-effective choice in the long run. While they may come with a higher initial price tag, the investment pays off with reduced maintenance costs, increased home value, and better protection against the elements. Increased home value. Another important factor that makes impact-resistant windows a popular choice is their ability to increase home value. Many potential buyers look for homes with enhanced security and energy efficiency, especially in areas prone to severe weather. Impact-resistant windows are often seen as a premium feature, making your home more attractive on the market. Homes with impact-resistant windows are also more likely to have lower insurance premiums. Insurance companies recognize that homes with windows designed to withstand storms and break-ins are less risky to insure, and many offer discounts for these upgrades. This can make impact-resistant windows not only a good investment for your home's comfort and safety but also a smart financial decision when it comes time to sell or insure your property. Conclusion. Impact-resistant windows are an increasingly popular choice for homeowners in Knoxville looking to upgrade their windows during replacement projects. These windows offer a wide range of benefits, including enhanced protection against severe weather, increased home security, improved energy efficiency, noise reduction, and long-term durability. Whether you're focused on protecting your home from storms or improving its energy efficiency and value, impact-resistant windows are a smart, long-term investment that provides peace of mind and lasting benefits.